Teaching emotional intelligence, helping kids manage feelings and relationships, focuses on nurturing essential social and emotional skills in children. It covers self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, communication, and conflict resolution, helping kids understand emotions, build strong relationships, and make thoughtful decisions for lifelong personal and social success. Self-awareness. Understanding emotions. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize and understand one's emotions. It helps children identify their feelings and reasons, enabling better emotional management and positive interactions. Developing self-awareness enhances emotional intelligence, self-control, and empathy. Children who understand their emotions can express them healthily, reducing frustration and improving communication. For instance, recognizing sadness allows a child to seek comfort instead of withdrawing. This awareness also fosters kindness and cooperation by helping them relate to others' emotions. Activities like emotion charts help children associate feelings with expressions and situations. Journaling encourages self-reflection and emotional expression, while mirror exercises strengthen emotional recognition. Role-playing different scenarios enhances their ability to process emotions. By practicing self-awareness, children build confidence, regulate emotions effectively, and develop stronger social skills, leading to better emotional well-being and improved relationships. Self-regulation. Managing emotions effectively. Self-regulation helps children manage emotions, stay calm, and control impulses, leading to better decision-making and social interactions. It enables them to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively in challenging situations. When children learn self-regulation, they can handle conflicts, cope with stress, and maintain focus. For example, a frustrated child facing a difficult task can use calming strategies instead of giving up or acting out. Activities like deep breathing help children relax and regain control in stressful moments. Mindfulness exercises improve focus and emotional awareness, keeping them present and composed. Positive self-talk replaces negative thoughts with affirmations, boosting confidence and resilience. By practicing self-regulation, children develop emotional balance, patience, and coping skills that enhance their well-being, helping them navigate challenges and achieve success in life. Social awareness. Understanding others' emotions. Social awareness is the ability to understand others' emotions and perspectives, helping children respond with empathy and kindness. It strengthens relationships, improves communication, and fosters a sense of community. When children recognize others' emotions, they become more considerate and understanding. For example, a socially aware child may comfort a sad friend rather than ignore their feelings. This skill supports teamwork, conflict resolution, and positive connections. Activities like storytelling help children explore emotions and perspectives through characters. Role-playing allows them to practice empathetic responses, while discussing different viewpoints encourages open-mindedness and appreciation of diversity. By developing social awareness, children learn to navigate social interactions with care and respect. These skills enhance emotional intelligence, making them more compassionate and understanding individuals, better prepared for positive relationships and cooperation in everyday life. Empathy development. Understanding others' feelings. Empathy helps children recognize and understand others' emotions, fostering kindness, compassion, and strong relationships. It enables them to be supportive friends, better communicators, and thoughtful individuals. When children develop empathy, they respond with care and sensitivity. For example, an empathetic child may comfort a lonely peer by inviting them to play, strengthening friendships and promoting inclusivity. Activities like reading emotional stories help children explore different perspectives. Discussing real-life emotions encourages reflection, while volunteering offers hands-on opportunities to practice kindness. By nurturing empathy, children grow into compassionate individuals who build meaningful connections and contribute positively to their communities. Relationship skills. Building healthy connections. Relationship skills help children build and maintain healthy friendships through cooperation, teamwork, and kindness. These skills enhance social interactions, conflict resolution, and communication, fostering trust and meaningful connections. When children learn collaboration, they become better team players and problem solvers. For example, understanding sharing and taking turns promotes positive group experiences. Practicing kindness and respect strengthens friendships and creates a supportive environment. Group projects encourage teamwork and goal setting, while team-building games foster cooperation and trust. Active listening skills improve meaningful conversations and connections. By developing relationship skills, children learn respect, communication, and collaboration, essential for strong and supportive friendships. Effective communication. Expressing emotions clearly. Effective communication helps children express emotions appropriately while fostering open, honest, and respectful interactions. Strong communication skills support healthy relationships, conflict resolution, and self-expression. When children learn to communicate feelings, they navigate social situations better. For example, saying, "I feel frustrated because I need help," prevents misunderstandings and encourages positive interactions. Activities like emotion-based storytelling help children articulate feelings, while "I feel" statements teach constructive expression. Active listening exercises enhance focus, thoughtful responses, and empathy. By developing communication skills, children gain confidence, improve social interactions, and build stronger, more understanding relationships with peers and adults. Conflict resolution. Resolving disagreements positively. Conflict resolution helps children handle disagreements positively and constructively. It develops skills like negotiation, compromise, and problem solving, enabling them to manage conflicts calmly and respectfully. When children learn conflict resolution, they express feelings without aggression and work toward fair solutions. For example, instead of arguing over a toy, they can take turns or choose a new activity. Compromise strengthens friendships and reduces misunderstandings. Activities like role-playing conflict scenarios help children practice handling disagreements. Discussing peaceful resolutions teaches effective problem solving. Practicing apologies reinforces responsibility and making amends. These skills foster cooperation, emotional intelligence, and healthy relationships. By developing conflict resolution skills, children learn to manage disagreements with patience and respect, leading to healthier relationships and a more positive social environment. Decision-making skills. Thinking through choices. Decision-making skills help children think carefully before making choices and take responsibility for their actions. These skills enable them to evaluate situations, consider consequences, and make thoughtful, ethical decisions for positive outcomes. When children learn responsible decision-making, they gain confidence and independence. For example, choosing between studying or playing, a child who understands consequences may prioritize studying for better results. Activities like problem-solving games encourage critical thinking and exploring solutions. Discussing real-life scenarios allows guided practice in making choices. Decision charts help weigh pros and cons, improving judgment. By developing decision-making skills, children learn responsibility, wise choices, and effective problem-solving in daily life. Teaching emotional intelligence equips kids with essential life skills, helping them understand emotions, build positive relationships, and make responsible decisions. By fostering self-awareness, empathy, and communication, children develop resilience and social competence, ensuring personal and social success in life. Emotional intelligence shapes a healthier, more connected future.